Okay, let's be honest. We all get tired sometimes, whether it's from school, work, or whatever you've been doing that day. But sometimes, this tiredness stays with you, wherever you go, and all you want to do is glow up. But luckily for you, you came to the right place. I'm gonna show you tips and tricks to make you realize how much of a beautiful queen you are and can be in the future. Before we talk about skincare, hair, or fashion, we need to talk about mindset because this is the foundation of every single glow up. A lot of people think a glow up is about changing how you look. The biggest transformation actually starts with your mind. The way you speak to yourself affects your confidence, your habits, and the energy you give off. Start paying attention to your self-talk instead of saying, "I'm ugly," or "I'll never look good." Try saying, "I'm improving every day," or "I'm learning to take care of myself." It might feel strange at first, but your brain listens to what you repeat. Another part of a mindset glow up is letting go of comparison. Social media usually shows people's best moments, the best lighting, filters, and carefully chosen photos. Comparing yourself to that isn't fair. Create goals that are for you, not because someone else is doing it. Maybe your goal is drinking more water, keeping your room tidy, reading more, or becoming more confident. Small habits build big results. Remember, confidence doesn't come from looking perfect. It comes from keeping promises to yourself, taking care of yourself, and knowing your worth. Anyway, that was the end of the first glow up tip. Hope you enjoyed it, and comment down below which one you would like next, and I'll do the one with the most votes. See ya!